Ruby, what does a chicken say? Tell me what a chicken says. What do you want some of? Milk? How about you tell me what a duck says? What does a duck say? No, that's a chicken. What does a duck say? Remember quack quack? Do you want to brush your hair? Good job. What does a duck say?